Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the SmartDevil Anti-Spy Screen Protector. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So getting this out of the box for the anti-spy package. You'll have your actual protector screens. You'll have a couple cleaning toolkits. This is just a spacer. And so what will happen is this will actually come preloaded. So I'm sure you can already see how that works, where you can see my fingers through here, but then all of a sudden you can't when it goes sideways. So that's the idea, and we'll show this on a phone, but the instructions are simple. You're going to cover your phone with this. You're going to pull down on this and wait for 10 seconds, and it should apply. You'll have a backup, and I'm going to try and do this without showing the QR code. So a second one will be in the package for you in this little envelope. And so what we're going to do is just get it clean, and then we'll show you exactly how to install this. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is just use the cleansing wipe, clean it up. Then number 2 is the towel. And then number 3 is going to be the dusting sticker. So you just want to kind of and then all you're going to do is place this on top, line it up. Should align nicely for you. All right, so just hold it down. Slowly make sure it gets into position, and then hold it down for 10 seconds so that it can get rid of any bubbles. When you're done, just turn the phone over, pull it out, and then you're just going to peel slowly. And now you've got perfect spy side. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.